Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and wallet tech. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to get money off Trust Wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, Trust Wallet keeps getting updates for better security and ease of use. Whether you're cashing out your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other crypto, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Trust Wallet installed on your phone or device. Head over to your App Store and update if needed. 2025 brings some cool new features like enhanced biometric logins for extra security. Once you're good, open the app and log in with your PIN, Face ID, or whatever method you use. Step 1. From the home screen, tap on the Wallet tab to see your assets. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. For example, if you're pulling out ETH, just click on it. Next, hit the Send or Withdraw button. Don't worry, it's straightforward. Step 2. Enter the amount you want to send. Remember, check for any network fees, as these can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Then, input the recipient's address. If you're sending to an exchange or another wallet, double-check that address to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 3. Review the transaction details carefully. You'll see a summary of the amount, fees, and estimated arrival time. Once you're sure, confirm the transaction with your security method. Boom! Your funds are on their way. A quick tip: always use a secure network, like your home Wi-Fi, and enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. In 2025, with more advanced threats, staying vigilant is key to protecting your assets. There you have it, folks. With these simple steps, you're all set to get your money off Trust Wallet. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.